What's going on, everybody? I've been working out lately. I'm so bad of shape. Let me try kind of show you what I do. This is beyond the fifth one, okay? Are y'all ready? This is number 5. I'm getting ready to do. Let's try the other arm. I need some WD-40 in those arms. I'm telling you, folks. I ain't worked out in a long time. The other day I got down to do some push-ups or pull-ups or whatever they call them things. I couldn't pull myself up to the floor so bad. Like this right here. I'm going to do number 6. I've never done it before. And one more, and the other arm.